Sarah.
Do you ever talk to yourself in your head and feel tired after? If yes, you are not alone.
Alex. Maybe you are on the way to work. Maybe you are at home. Maybe you are in bed with earphones. Welcome. You are in the right place.
Hello, English learners.
Welcome to Talk English Now. This is a calm place to learn easy English with real talk.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. We're very happy you're here today.
Today's topic is very important. It's about the voice in your head. The voice that talks to you all day.
Before we start, if you like calm English podcasts, please like this video and subscribe to Talk English Now. It helps more learners find us.
Sarah, my mind talks a lot. In the morning, at work, at night.
Yes, many minds are like that. Your mind is like a group chat. Many voices talk at the same time.
One voice says, "You can do it."
That is your inner coach.
Another voice says, "You are bad at English. Don't speak."
That is your inner bully.
And there is a worried voice. "Be careful. Don't make mistakes."
It thinks it helps you, but it often makes you scared. Let's imagine a real moment. You are in class or in the office. Someone asks a question.
You know the answer. Your mouth opens. And then,
The bully voice says, "What if you are wrong? People will laugh."
so you stop. You stay quiet. Inside, you feel bad.
Another moment, your phone.
You write a message in English. You write it again. And again.
The bully says, "Your English is bad. Delete it."
So you delete it. Later, the same voice says, "Why are you so quiet?"
At night, the bully is very strong.
You lie in bed. The room is dark.
Your mind shows your mistakes, one by one.
You feel heavy, like you carry the world.
If this is you, please don't feel ashamed.
You are not weak. You are human.
The good news is this: you can change how you talk to yourself.
We cannot delete the bully.
But we can listen more to the coach.
The bully says, "You failed. You are stupid."
The coach says, "You failed. That hurts. What can we learn?"
Sarah, did you ever feel this?
Yes, my first big class. I was very nervous. My voice shook.
Oh no.
A student corrected me. Inside, I felt small.
What did your bully say?
"You are a bad teacher. Stop."
And the coach?
The coach said, "You showed up. You can do better next time."
That's powerful.
Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. I made a mistake.
I can learn from it.
Again, say it with us.
I made a mistake. I can learn from it.
I made a mistake. I can learn from it.
This is called mindset, your normal way of thinking.
Your mind learns from repetition, like social media.
If you think, "I'm bad," your mind shows more proof.
If you think, "I'm learning," your mind sees progress. In the morning, before your phone, say one sentence.
For example, "Today I will be kind to myself."
When you feel hurt or scared, pause.
Ask, "What is my bully saying?"
Then ask, "What would my coach say?"
At night, write 3 good things.
Very small things are okay. Repeat after me. I am learning English.
Slowly is okay.
Again, your turn.
I am learning English. Slowly is okay.
I am learning English. Slowly is okay.
Sometimes my coach is very quiet.
Maybe it's drinking coffee.
Yes. And the bully is very loud. No coffee needed.
Let's recap.
You have an inner bully.
You also have an inner coach.
Mistakes are normal.
Kind words help you grow.
Now, a question for you.
What sentence do you say to yourself often?
Write it in the comments.
Your homework is simple.
Write one kind sentence to yourself today.
And write it in English.
Thank you for listening.
You showed up today. That matters.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Talk English Now.
Take care of your English.
And take care of yourself.
Bye.
Bye.